Nothing is gearing up to launch the Nothing Phone 2 in a few weeks. The company has been teasing the phone since Mobile World Congress 2023, with the hype wagon picking up steam in recent times. Nothing's founder Carl Pei has already confirmed the phone 2 will use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip and bring a massive uplift in performance. Now ahead of the phone's official launch, leaked renders of the phone 2 have surfaced online, revealing its design in all its glory. The original phone 1 wowed many with its transparent back. With the phone 2, Nothing apparently plans to continue with the same design language with only minor tweaks and refinements. Compared to the phone 1, the phone 2 seems to pack design changes that improve its overall aesthetics and ergonomics. The phone's front and back reportedly has a slight 2.5D curve, which coupled with the rounded frame should make it easier to hold. This is important since the phone 2 is set to have a 6.5-inch display, bigger than the 6.55-inch panel found on its predecessor. While the phone's one iconic transparent rear back remains unchanged, the lightning elements have been redesigned to freshen things up. More importantly, the LED strip along the wireless charging coil is now seemingly broken into multiple parts, with the phone 2 offering individual control over them. This will enable the creation of custom lighting effects which make the glyph interface more customizable, helping the Nothing Phone to stand out further. You can also see the dual LED flash near the cameras in the phone 2 renders, which should lead to noticeable bump in their brightness and reach. The phone 2 will house the power button on the right side with the volume rockers on the left edge. Shared by SmartPix in partnership with the reliable OnLeaks, the 5K renders of the phone 2 were created based on the live pictures of a testing stage unit. So the final variant that launches to the public could have some minor changes. Don't expect the phone 2 to look radically different from its predecessor though. That should not necessarily be bad, especially since the phone 1 is still stand apart from our favorite budget Android phones due to its design. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more daily tech updates. Till then, bye bye.